Ladies and gentlemen, the last time I showed you this bed, you saw how the winds uplifted the entire structure, taking the net with it. Well, today I'm going to show you how to fortify it so that that doesn't happen again. I'm going to be using these staples to clamp the poles down into the ground like this. So you find a soft place in the ground and just staple it down there. So I'm going to do this all around the bed. In addition, rather than just pushing the net underneath the poles, I'm going to secure it with these easy to find clothespins like this. So we'll put some along the way, all around it. Now we have a very secured bed. By the way, some of you had asked if the plants survived. Yes, the plants are intact. Over here we have the cantaloupe vines, and here are the cucumbers. They're doing very, very well. And oh, you may be wondering, what's the purpose of the net? Well, it's to keep out the pests, big ones and small ones. Small ones like aphids and whiteflies, and big ones like raccoons and cats that come through during the night. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so you can see what's happening right here in the Charles Fort Lauderdale garden.